In my last video, I was getting to a point where I thought I was going to make my own jumper. So I figured now is a good time to show this tool again in this video series. So this is a wire cutter. There's a little blade right there and an automatic wire stripper. You just squeeze the trigger and it does the rest. We can adjust the tongue to help get the length of wire you want there, and the cutting, it will strip a wide range of wires, as you can see there, and it will cut pretty much the same size wires. But in any case, we have a 22 gauge, which is a small wire, because it fits in the breadboards nicely. It's a solid wire. And this is how I made that little jumper there. We're going to make another jumper in the spirit of that one. And it's also how I made these two jumpers right there. The wire that I got is from a Make Electronics kit from Radio Shack. I got it on Amazon though, but it was a Radio Shack product. So in any case, I'm going to go about halfway to the tongue. We could get the tongue closer, and that might be an okay length too. Let's just go with that right there. But we could also push it under the tongue if we want some more wire out of it. It's that simple. And then we're going to make it kind of long because we're going to do another one of these wires where we're going to jump a gap. But I made that specifically for the 555 timer. I might do a longer gap now, so I think this wire is a fair amount longer, but we will strip the insulation there. So ultimately I did find wires that worked okay, but it's not a bad idea to have some of these wires too. I got another one of those. I can jump various lengths right there, and so one part of the board to the other like that one, or from top to bottom, and it may make it so I can keep the wire out of the way if it's blocking something or something like that. So there's all kinds of reasons why you might want one of these, but you should also get at least one of these. This is it's one container, but it actually has the wire from two containers because I broke one of the containers, so I put the extra wires in there. But that's where I get the wires for the board. Sometimes you'll see a lot of like orange or gray that I use. If I just had one of these, I would have ran out and had to make some more of my wires anyways. So in any case, these are really nice, but you may need to cut the wire yourself. So you know, you should be ready to do that too. So in any case, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.